Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Despite suffering a huge 5-1 defeat to title holders Falkland United, Reno remained in contention for a place in the Western CONFED Charlie's J.B. Roma Super League. The three-time Premier League champions, who were relegated from top-flight football last season, are fourth in the overall standing on 18 points. Falkland, who remained second, were led to victory by a hat-trick from O'Brien Robinson to record win number 7 from 11 outings.
Working on finishing all week because we know that basically the style of play will create goals, so we just tell the guys that we need to finish because, the build-up play and all of that, and we've been working hard in training. So it paid dividends for us today.
I think the players have to start show some kind of responsibility. If you're not trained, you don't have no game to make. So it's simple. We don't have to go around. We don't have to go and see. You can see this team look like it's a corner league team. They're not training.
But it's mid-season champions Falmouth United who lead the way as they sit atop the table with 25 points. The unbeaten Falmouth got the better of former champions Wadada 3-0 at Westbow Park. Falmouth have now won 7 games of their 11 while drawing the other 4. In the other games, Dino Williams and O'Dane Nish each scored twice as Montego Bay United beat Lilliput Rovers 5-1. Harmony and Cooper's Pen ended 2-2. It was 1-1 between Superstar and Hopewell United, while there was no goal between Georgia Plain and Sandals South Coast. Meanwhile, Old Harbour Bay United and Newlands advanced to the second round of the St. Catherine FA Lincoln Happy Sutherland knockout at the weekend at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. Super League team Old Harbour Bay, led by a double from Shamar Reed, dismissed former Premier League campaigners DB Bazavac by 4-1. Jason Grant opened the scoring for Old Harbour Bay from the penalty spot in the 16th minute. Reed made it 2-0 with his first in the 58th minute before Jeru Ebanks got their third in the 63rd, again from 12 yards. Reed returned for his second and Old Harbour Bay's fourth in the 79th minute. Sheldon Stevenson got the consolation for DB Bazavac 3 minutes from time.
It was a very satisfying result. The guys played very well and we really enjoyed the game. Only at times kind of get rough, but we persevere and we won 4-1 and we are playing up for that. That's our objective. We want to go all the way in this Happy Sutherland. 2 times we went to the semi-final. I want to go all the way this year. God's willing.
In the Portmore Derby, Newland clipped another former Premier League outfit, Nago Head, 1-0 with a lone goal of the game coming from Conrad White in the 52nd minute.
This team is a young team and it's work in progress, and you see Newland get better as the season progresses. Well, I think this team should go all the way, but you don't know, you have to play the games first and we have to keep them from complacency, and I think all should be well.
Chervell Hamilton scored in the 19th minute as second-place Bath Sports Club beat License 1-0 in the St. Thomas Surge Major League on Sunday. Bath, who ended round 1 on 10 points, now trail Seaforth by 2 points. Round 1 will come to an end on Tuesday with Prospect taking on Port Morant All-Stars. Over in the St. Mary Jamaica Producers Major League, title holders Gray's Inn defeated Fort George Academy 3-1. Rangers got the better of Dover by a similar margin of victory, while Albion Mountain blanked Jacks River 4-0.